Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talat Waheed. In previous video I told you about how we can remove set items. So today's topic is set methods. So these are the set methods, union, intersection, difference. Okay, so let's see what are the description of it. So these are the methods and description. So intersection, it will return a set that is intersection of two or more sets. Okay, and union, it return a set containing the union of sets. Okay, so note it down. I will tell you with the example so that it will clear to you. Okay, so note it down. Next, symmetric difference. It returns a set with the symmetric difference of two sets, and difference returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Okay, and difference update, remove the items in this set that are also included in another specified set. Okay, so note it down. So these are the set methods. Okay, so difference. Next is disjoint, return whether two sets have intersection or not. Okay, and is subset used for it, it will return whether another set contains this set or not. Okay, and with add method you can add single element to the set. Okay, so with clear method you can remove all the elements from the set, and with the copy method you can return a copy of set. Okay, so let's talk about union method. It returns a set that contains all the elements from both sets. Okay, duplicate values are not allowed here. Okay, so you can use many sets you want. Okay, so let's check it with the example. Syntax: set.union set1 comma set2 comma set3, like this. For example, x is equal to orange, pink, green, and y is equal to red, white, black. Z is equal to x dot union y. Okay, and print z. So it will give you all the element of set A, set x, and set y. Okay, so let's check in the editor how it's working. Open your editor. I'm using here Visual Studio Code. So just create new file, setmethods.py. A is equal to, this is my set, A is equal to 1, 4, 6. Okay, so just write it here, second set, which is B. Okay, I'm entering here values of it. So 1 A B 6, and C is equal to A dot union, in brackets enter your second set, which is B. Okay, and print this value. So print C. Here is showing first set is A and second set is B. Okay, it will give you all the elements of both sets. So let's see what will be the output. Click on run. So here is showing 1 4 B 6 A. Okay, so 1 4 6 from set A and AB from set B. It will not show you the duplicates value. Okay, so this is the first example. So let's check it with another example. Okay, so just change these value. I'm changing here 1 4 6 ABC. Okay, so let's see. Here is showing 1A 4 6 6 B. Okay, so which is 1 4 6 from set A and ABC from set B. Okay, it will return all the elements of both sets. So this is union method. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, so let's see what's next. Difference method. It returns a set that contains the difference between two sets. Okay, and resulting set contains elements that exist only in first set. So this is example. A is equal to apple, banana, cherry. B is equal to Google, Microsoft, Apple. So C is equal to B dot difference A. So A minus B is equal to the elements present in A but not in B. Okay, so let's check it with the example so that it will be clear to you. Open your editor and write this query. Okay, so A is equal to green, white, enter whatever the elements you want. I am writing here string values. Okay, so B is equal to, let's suppose, pink, black, red. Okay, and C is equal to B dot difference, and enter your first set name, which is A. Okay, and just print this value, print C. Okay, so it returns those elements which is not present in set A. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. Click on run. Here is showing pink and black, because pink and black is not present in set A. That's why it's showing these two values. Okay, so let's check it with another example. Okay, so let's change these value 398 and 9124. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. Click on run. Here is showing 1 to 4, because 1 to 4 is not present in set A. That's why it's showing these three values. Okay, if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Next, So our next topic is difference update. Thank you for watching.